diri nga member EFGH, okay ra siya. Okay pud ni siya. However, kani nga trust, kani nga member CEBF, no? If mo-apply tag load dari, load P is applied here, this portion will collapse. No? Kay wala man tanag butang o diagonal bracing, walay bracing sa tunga. So we consider this as internally unstable. So based on ano siya? Based on tawag ana observation. So kana, that's it on identifying the determinacy and stability of our trusses. So let's go to example. Pagtanaw na to ang reaction first. This is roller. This is hinge. So yung line of action. So okay. So our truss is externally stable. And then we will check its determinacy. B plus R equals to 2J. B now is the number of members, ha? Number of members, R number of reactions, and J is the number of joints. So let's count. Number of members. So careful counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Now members, ha? Remember class? Members, they are separated by a pin. No? So, pin to pin, you can consider that as one member. No? If nag-overlap gani iyahang kuan, if nag-overlap ang iyahang member, and then nara ang pin diri, walay pin sa tunga, you will consider this as one member and one member. One member. Okay? Okay. So B is 19, reaction is 3. Number of joints, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 19 plus 3, 2 times 11, so 22, 22. So our truss is statically determinate. So inana lang siya. So example number 2, this is a hinge, this is a rocker. So okay, our truss is externally stable. Okay. So if first analysis ninyo na externally unstable na siya, so that is unstable. That is considered unstable. I-check ang determinacy. So, very stable man siya. So, 2 plus R, B plus R, 2J. So, number of member, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. B is 9. R is 3. J is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 9 plus 3, 2 times 6, that is 12. 12. So thus, thrust is statically determinate. Okay? Yan na lang siya. Okay. Example number 3. So, 1 hinge, duha, also rocker, isa. So, externally stable. Then check for the determinacy. B plus R, 2J. Our B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. R is 3. Number of joint is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8. 12 plus 3, 2 times 8. So that is 15, 16. So 15 is less than 16. So this is internally unstable. Diba? Internally unstable. Thus, thrust is unstable. Thrust is unstable. No? Kaya anak man, less than man. Alright? So, unstable siya. So, example number 4. This is hinge. This is also hinge. So, okay. This is externally stable. So, check for the determinacy. B plus R, 2J. Our member, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now, tanawa na siya. Walay pin sa tunga, no? Walay pin. It means, di na to maihap. Atong ihap ra ani is 13, ay isa ra, 14, 15. Okay? So, 15. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Our R is 4. Our J is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Our J is 9. So 15 plus 4, 2 times 9. 19, 18. Thus, thrust is statically indeterminate. Indeterminate to the first degree. So, ano lang, same calculation, same computations. Lahi-lahi lang og equation. No, lahi for beams and truss, and then lahi for our beams and frames lahi ipod sa atong trusses. So that's it for the determinacy and the stability of trusses. Now, um, our class will end by 4. You will do your problem set number 3. Problem set number 3, and the deadline will be this 4 p.m. So you will solve determinacy and stability of trusses. This is easy. No, this is easy. Ihaparman mo ani. First is you identify if it is um, externally stable or unstable, and then you compute the degree of determinacy. State it's ano. You identify if it's determinate or indeterminate, then state the degree of indeterminacy. Okay. So question. Yes.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Kanang mag-ask lang. Kasi pwede may makain sa deadline, ma'am. Kailangan good may class 4:30 na face-to-face, ma'am.
No, our class will end by 4. Our class will end by 4. Napa mo'y kuan. Napa mo'y 2 hours to do the activity.
Basi magbiyahe pa, mga bantang mo, ma'am. Face-to-face,
Okay.
wala mong po.
It doesn't matter kay bisan pag magklase ko humahuman kog alas 4, aya pa mo biyahe. You can do the activity for 2 hours, 1 hour, gani human naman na siya. Yes.
Ma'am, what if ma'am ng pinaka-first ko lang ma'am pag-solve nimo sa reaction ma'am kay externally unstable na siya ma'am.
State na unstable siya. Kay diri man ni siya masulod o. If the first solve nimo externally unstable siya, dili siya masulod. Kaning special condition diri.
Mag-solve pagyapon sa iyang formula.
Dili na. Dili na. If it is internally unstable, ayaw na. Unstable gid na siya.
Ma'am,
We have to add support ana. So ayaw na pangita ang ayaw na og solve for determinate and indeterminate. State na the trust is unstable. Okay? Na-share din. Dili, oh.